Hi friends, welcome back to फटाफट इंग्लिश विद अभिषेक सर। दोस्तों, स्पोकन इंग्लिश कैन चेंज योर लाइफ ड्रामेटिकली। इट कैन गिव यू एवरीथिंग इन एबंडेंस। ये सब आपको प्रचुर मात्रा में दे सकती है, चाहे वो रिस्पेक्ट हो, लव हो, और चाहे पोजीशन हो, और चाहे मनी। स्टार्ट लर्निंग इंग्लिश इफ यू हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड येट। यदि आपने अभी तक सीखना शुरू नहीं किया तो फिर अपना कारण ढूंढ लीजिए और स्पोकन इंग्लिश का ये कोर्स शुरू कर दीजिए जितनी जल्दी पॉसिबल हो सके, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग इज ए गेम चेंजर। चलिए लेट्स फाइंड सम रीजंस। कुछ रीजंस आज की इस क्लास में हम एक ऐसे क्वेश्चन वर्ड की बात करने वाले हैं जिसका जवाब यदि आपको देना आ जाए तो आप आसानी से इंग्लिश बोलने में एक्सपर्ट बन सकेंगे। दोस्तों, इंग्लिश में कारण बताना, आप जब जो कुछ भी करते हैं उसमें कोई ना कोई कारण जरूर होता है और हर कारण के जवाब होते हैं। जब आप सवाल पूछते हैं या लोग आपसे सवाल पूछते हैं तो आपको जवाब देना आना ही चाहिए, यानी आपको कारण बताना आना ही चाहिए। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं हाउ टू टेल द रीजंस इन स्पोकन इंग्लिश। दोस्तों, इंग्लिश में एक वर्ड आप पहले से समझते हैं, जानते हैं, why. This is not why, this is why. Simple. Start speaking the correct pronunciation. आपका उच्चारण बिल्कुल सही होना चाहिए। दोस्तों, why इंग्लिश में इतना कॉमन है कि हर इंसान जब आप उससे बात करने की कोशिश कर देते हो तो फिर वो आपसे पूछता है why। आप भी अक्सर लोगों से पूछते हो why। अब खाली why तो आपको पहले से आता है, इससे पूरे सवाल कैसे बनेंगे और पूरे जवाब हम कैसे देंगे, ये आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सिखाने वाला हूँ। Hey, my name is Abhishek, an English language trainer training the people for spoken English and developing their lives and personalities through spoken English classes। चलिए, वीडियो को शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगा कि इस वीडियो को अभी से लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप चैनल को पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत काम का चैनल है। चलिए, वाई बेसिकली सबसे पहले स्पोकन इंग्लिश से ही शुरू कर लेते हैं। वाई शुड आई लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश? वाई शुड आई, अक्सर आप ये पूछते हैं मैं क्यों करूं, वाई शुड आई लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश। देखिए सवाल कैसे बना, वाई शुड आई लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश। अब यदि आप इसमें बाद वाला सेंटेंस चेंज करना चाहते हैं या बाद वाला पार्ट चेंज करना चाहते हैं, वाई शुड आई गो टू दिल्ली, why should I study, why should I go to market, why should I watch your YouTube videos, why should I। ये एक बहुत ही कॉमन क्वेश्चन है। चलिए इसका जवाब समझते हैं। why should I learn spoken English? तो इसका जवाब क्या हो सकता है? you should learn spoken English because। अब because लगाएंगे और उसके बाद कई सारी चीज़ें आप बताते चले जाएंगे। मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर कुछ चीज़ें बता के दिखाता हूँ, देखिएगा आपको समझ में आएगी। वाई शुड आई लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश? क्या जवाब है? यू शुड लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश बिकॉज ऑल द कोर्सेज, प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज हैव बुक्स इन इंग्लिश। यू विल ऑफ कोर्स नीड स्पोकन इंग्लिश एंड रिटन इंग्लिश। वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश, एक बार यदि आप अंग्रेजी समझने लग जाएं बोलने वाली, तो फिर आपको बुक्स पढ़ने में भी आसान लगेगा। तो यू शुड लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश बिकॉज इट इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेस, बिकॉज इट इज a language of corporate world, it is a language of MNCs, it is a language of offices in India. You should learn spoken English. It is a language of most interviews in India. Basically guys, इंग्लिश में ही ज़्यादातर इंटरव्यूज होते हैं and people get stuck. लोग फंस जाते हैं because they cannot answer well. They can understand question, they can speak broken English, but they cannot speak fluent English confidently. So you should learn spoken English because it is a language that is required in professional courses, for professional studies. It is a language that is required. Sentence को याद कीजिए, it is a language that is required in corporate world, in MNCs. This is a language which is required in schools and colleges. This is the language which can make you qualify interviews and exams. This is a language, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं it is a language that can make you, समझिए, this is a language that can make you qualify, that can make you qualify interviews and competition exams, even your school exams. If you are a student, you should learn spoken English because it will help you understand your syllabus as well. It will help you write without even memorizing your syllabuses. You will simply read once and you will be able to answers. You will be able to write sentences in your own language. It is a language that connects you to the rest of the world. Because you cannot learn, of course, a lot of languages, but English is a common language that is spoken all across the globe. So it is a language that connects you to the world. It is a language that connects you with the globe. It is a language that is globally accepted. So you should learn spoken English for any reason, but you must learn spoken English and you must improvise your written English too. Once you improvise your spoken English, you can easily improvise your written English too. So guys, why? अक्सर लोग मुझसे पूछते हैं, सर why do you shoot YouTube videos? I shoot YouTube videos because I want to help people. देखिए मैंने कैसे जवाब दिया. I shoot videos because I like it. I like to teach people. I like to talk to people. I like shooting videos. I like talking to people. I like teaching people. I want to help people and I want to grow my YouTube channel. I want to make more money. I want to create one more source of income. Why? Why do you shoot your videos? So why do you watch videos? Why do you watch videos? You can also answer in the same way. I watch videos because I want to grow in my career. I watch videos because I want to develop higher degree of confidence. I watch videos because I want to learn more English. I watch videos because I want to get a better job. I watch videos because I like it. I like Abhishek sir. So why do you watch videos? Okay. Why do you go to school? Why do you go to school? तो आप कह सकते हैं I go to school because I want to study. I want to get education. I want to lead a better life. Why? Why do you go to school? You don't go to school just for fun. You go to school because it is necessary to study. It is necessary to get education. It is necessary to be literate. It is necessary to become civilized. Education makes you civilized. So guys, why do you watch YouTube videos? Why do I shoot videos? Why should I learn spoken English? ये सारे जवाब तो आपने सीख लिए. अब simple questions. Why are you going to market? Why are you going to market? I'm going to market to buy vegetables. I'm going to market to buy some clothes. I am going to market to buy some groceries. Groceries जो घर का सामान, दाल चावल चीनी तेल. So why are you going to market? Why do you want to do a job? देखिए क्वेश्चन का थोड़ा फॉर्मेट चेंज किया मैंने. Why do you want to do a job? Of course, I want to do a job because I want to settle. I want to get married. I want to have kids. I want to have a family. It is my necessity to earn money. It is necessary to earn money. It's necessary to grow. And you need money for everything. So, I want to do a job. Okay. Why do you want to get a good job? I want to get a good job because I want to fulfill my dreams, wishes, and desires. I want to provide my family all the luxuries of life. I want to provide my kids a better future. So, for better jobs, you need spoken English. Of course, there are areas where you can go without spoken English. But there are so many more areas where English is necessary. So, if you have not started practicing, start practicing right away. Right now. So guys, why are you? Why are you? Why do you? Why did you? If you want to talk about past, you can of course very well talk about past. Why did you go to Delhi? Why did you miss your class? Why did you go to Delhi? I went to Delhi to attend a program. I went to Delhi to appear in an interview. I went to Delhi to meet my cousin. I went to Delhi to visit the new Parliament House. I went to Delhi to spend some time with my uncle's family. I went to Delhi to do a job. I went to Delhi to go shopping, to do some shopping, to go shopping. So, why did you miss the class? Of course, you can have multiple reasons, but I'm giving you, of course, a few reasons. I missed the class because I was not well. I was busy. I missed the class because I had something more important than the class. I missed the class because I had my school. I had an appointment with the doctor. I missed the class because I was not free. I did not have time. I was not free. I did not have time. Why did you miss the class? You can very well say, I missed the class because there was my practical. There was my exam. अब of course आपके दिमाग में आ रहा होगा, sir, you have already given the basic idea. आपको basic idea तो मिल गया how to ask questions and how to answer them smartly. Guys, it is a matter of constant efforts. It's a matter of constant efforts and sincerity. Once you're sincere towards your spoken English, I guarantee I can change your perspective about spoken English. मैं आपका नजरिया ही बदल दूंगा पूरा. English speaking is a matter of daily practice. And practice does not mean that you will have to write. You just practice listening, practice learning. You don't have to put in a lot of efforts. आपको बहुत मेहनत नहीं करनी है. You just watch a video one time, second time, third time, and you will be a pro. आप एक professional बन जाएंगे. You will become an expert. So wishing you all the very best. Take care of yourself. See you in another class. Thank you.